major challenges running a business in Wales at the moment. I own a bar, a cafe bar. We have a good turnover, but by the time we pay our rates, we're left with pretty much nothing at the end of it.
Quite a shock after being on maternity leave and maternity pay to then instantly go into paying around £1,000 a month for childcare. That's really impactful when you're trying to pay ever-rising kind of cost of living and bills.
Wales is ready to aim higher, to aim for better. More and more people are backing Plaid Cymru's hopeful vision for our nation because Plaid Cymru is the only party that will always make it our priority to stand up for Wales, demanding fairness from Westminster on the billions owed to us because of HS2 rail, on fair funding, on policing, on controlling our own resources through the Crown Estate. With new leadership and serious plans, we will support the NHS, getting patients treated quicker through our new surgical hubs. A new focus on numeracy, literacy will raise education standards, will help businesses grow, creating jobs through our new development agency, and we will offer the most generous childcare package in the UK, supporting families through the cost of living crisis. I'm announcing that a Plaid Cymru government would introduce a transformative new universal free childcare programme, available for all children from the age of 9 months to 4 years, building towards providing at least 20 hours a week for 48 weeks a year.
The proposed plans for the support in terms of childcare, I think it will change people's lives. It would just be an absolute game changer.
I genuinely feel that Wales deserves a fresh start. They're bringing things to the table that will really impact me and my business in a really positive way. It just feels like they're actually coming forward with a future.
There's real momentum behind Plaid Cymru. After decades in charge, Labour are finished. Reform are the danger now, always chasing headlines, pitching people and communities against each other. For them, it'll never be about the future of Wales. So on May the 7th, choose hope over division, ambition over apathy. Choose a government that will always focus on what's right for your community and on Wales. And vote Plaid Cymru.